Hello, art friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing a girl troll today, and she is quite a bit cuter than the boy troll, I must say. Okay, so to start with, we're going to start with her big troll hair. And then we're going to come across like that. It reminds me of an onion. There we go. Then we're going to put some flowers here. So we're going to start with a set of 3, like that. And then we're going to draw her ear with an S in it. And we have some hair coming down. She's a very hairy girl. There we go. Then we have a little headband thing coming across like that. Some more hair like that. And another ear with an S. Okay, then she's got some little hair lines like that, and a line that comes around like that, and then she's got her little nose like that, and her eyes are littler, circular. She's got these beautiful little eyebrows, little cheeky lines, and a smile. Then she's got her little outfit here, which is a very stylish wraparound do. It comes up. She's got an arm here. Trolls have really weird arms. And she's got a little sass with her hand on her hip. And there. And then here's her troll legs. There's one. And there's 2. Oh, don't forget that little detailing. There we go. All right, and we'll put her on the ground. And there is your girly troll. Hey, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Subscribe and be a maniac.